What's going on, everybody? Today I'm in Belle Isle in Richmond, Virginia. There's a ton of history on this island, too much to fit in the intro, but basically in the 1800s, Old Dominion Ironworks was created here. Manufactured copper kettles, horseshoes, things like that. Then it converted over to fit the needs of the Civil War, manufacturing armor for some of the ships, weapons, equipment. Continued all the way into the 1970s. There's also a hydroelectric power plant here and a ton of stuff I have to show you today. So I'm going to tell you a little more as I go along, but let's just go check it out. So here's the old stone quarry we got here on Belle Isle. This wasn't really mentioned on any websites, but it's pretty cool. They got some rock climbing you can do. Cletus over here just scaled the cliffside. I'm not a fan of heights, so I didn't join them, but this is pretty interesting back here. And from what the sign said, this place ran from 1900 to 1910. So it had a short life, but judging from the height of the cliffs here, like 35, 40 feet. And I'm guessing the center here is pretty deep, now filled with water. Looks like they extracted quite a bit of stone out of here. Got a super sturdy bridge to walk across. Don't know if y'all can see it, it's kind of leaning at a like almost 15-degree angle. Just a little ways down here from the stone quarry, we got the ruins of where the old winches were. These would actually be used to pull the bricks, sorry, not the bricks, the stones out of the quarry, load them onto carts to be hauled across the river. Not a whole lot left, but that's to be expected on buildings that are over 100 years old. Pretty cool though. All right, so we're getting close to the power plant. Maybe you all can see it. There's an old power line up there. They used to run across the city. Got another interesting device over here.
What the hell?
Head gate cleaner. The sign will explain it better than I can.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here's where water used to get funneled in. Funneled in from the river to get pushed down through the turbines. They got the grates here to stop all the logs and debris from coming in. I'm really surprised this is preserved as well as it is.
Yeah.
Considering, I mean, this place was built in 1904. Yeah, still some of the little canal left.
Definitely not drinkable water.
No. Oh yeah. Here's a little overflow outlet going right back out. Kind of wonder what this was used for.
Probably opening and closing the vent.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Well, look at that.
Whoa,
Big ass hole.
right through it.
I wonder if it goes deeper.
Let's go check it out. I'm gonna check this spot out.
You might see that hole.
All right, so we could have taken the trail, but off in the distance we can see the old abandoned power plant. We decided to take the scenic route.
Over here you can go anywhere. There's enough space for you to get around.
We might be able to get all the way there and inside. I cracked that log. For a second I thought it was my leg. Here's some more of that retaining wall leading up to the power plant. Just on the opposite side is that canal we showed you earlier. It's hard to see in this video, but this thing's like 30 feet tall. So it had massive amounts of water coming into this hydroelectric plant. Here we are. This is the old power plant. So this was created by Virginia Electric Power Company in 1904. Ran all the way to 1967. And this actually powered the trolley system inside of Richmond And it also powered the factory just on the other side of the island here. And unfortunately, looks like there's no way in from the route we took, so we're gonna have to go back across the rocks and back to the trail for a better view. This place is pretty big though. So yeah, we're gonna have to loop back around the trail, but here's another view of the power plant. Huge building. Looks a lot smaller from far away. We'll have to try our luck going the traditional route. All right. Took the main trail. We're gonna get a different view of the power plant down here.
Fit, yeah. All right.
There's the main building we saw a little earlier. Not sure what this side building is. There's a second floor, but I don't know if there's any way up.
Sweet.
So I believe this is some of the last ruins of the old Dominion Iron Factory, or part of it. There wasn't really a plaque over this way. Whatever this building used to be pretty massive. Those ruins and bricks just continuing on through the woods here. Ooh. Found another area here in the island. Little pipe I didn't notice before. Ew. And it looks like it keeps going. So,
That is some exploring.
of course we had to check it out. Get my light.
Yeah. Oh, you got a light?
Yes, sir. Oh,
Oh,
never mind. Dead end. So over here we got the remnants of the Old Dominion Iron Company's storage shed for dangerous acids and pretty much anything flammable that would have been used for their manufacturing process. There's not much left to it now. I don't believe these I-beams are original, but could be wrong on that. Here's some more of the remnants here of the Old Dominion Iron Company. There wasn't a plaque for this one either, but my guess is it's some sort of old storage facility. It's pretty long. It's at least a football field long here. And the roof is about 20 feet high. So what we got here is called the Chrysler building, also part of Old Dominion Ironworks. Fun fact, this building was actually used in World War I to manufacture the hatches for tanks for the Chrysler company, giving it the nickname the Chrysler building. Fortunately, it just got the skeleton here left, but pretty cool all the same.